What's up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to jailbreak the new iOS 12.1.2. Now, to do this, first off, as you can see, I'm not jailbroken. I do not have cydia installed. What you do is you start your Safari browser and head over to this address here. Jailbreakit.net. And here they will tell you how it works. They'll tell you that you can't install cydia on a device because Apple's not approved it. So they simply hid cydia and the jailbreak inside of an approved application. So they got an app that is approved and can be installed. And when you start that app, the jailbreak and cydia will be installed in the background. You can read for yourselves. Just go to this address, jailbreakit.net. Then you scroll to the bottom and click on this little icon here to get to the jailbreak injected apps store. Now this is, of course, 100% free. All of the jailbreak injected apps are free. Sometimes there are ads like this crap there. Just ignore that. We just want the apps. So just pick an app and try it. Sometimes these apps get patched. So if it doesn't work on the first app, then simply try another app. Usually it works right away, but sometimes you need to try a few times. And now the jailbreak injected app is being installed. And once installed, we're now going to start it up. And right now, the jailbreak and cydia is being installed in the background, hopefully, unless this app has been patched. So we need to keep this app running for about 30 seconds or so. If nothing happens within 30 seconds, then this app has been patched, and you don't need to try this again. But new apps are added daily, and doesn't look like this one worked. Go on. I guess we're just gonna try another one. Let's try this one. So, like I said, new jailbreak injected apps are added daily, and usually it works right away. But sometimes you need to try a few times before you find a working app. Let's hope we have luck here with this one. And of course, all of the apps are 100% free. Let's see. And hopefully, within 30 seconds or so, we should hopefully see something happening. So hopefully the jailbreak and cydia is being installed in the background right now. You can click around if you want while you wait. I hope we see something soon. Hello. Oh, that's a good sign. Yeah, I know I don't have a SIM card installed. And there we are, the cydia. So now we're just going to start cydia up. And they will tell you to upgrade. I'm just going to ignore that for now, because I'm just going to show you that everything works. And that's how easy it is to jailbreak the new iOS 12.1.2. And you know the drill: comment, rating, subscribing, and all that. So you know what to do. Go ahead. Also, I would be very happy if you told me how it worked for you. So I'll see you in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye.